Hi, this is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind. There was a time in my career I was moving rapidly to the top. I had the drive, the talent, the vision, the energy to move right into upper administration. But my time in middle administration proved that I wasn't mature enough. I made good leadership decisions, but I didn't always handle the responses, the people that well. I had a hard time dealing with disagreement and those that couldn't see the plan that I set in place. I was equipped to handle the job, but I wasn't equipped to handle the people. Although things seem intuitive to me, I'd get frustrated and argumentative or even distracted or angered by people who couldn't see the vision. And he who angers you owns you. That proved that I wasn't mature enough to move to the next level. You see, often God, what I'm trying to say to you today, it's real simple, see. Often God doesn't hold back your favor because you can't handle the increase that's going to come your way. He holds back your favor because you can't handle the haters that are going to come along with it. You wear your feelings on your sleeve. You want to fight and argue and rebut every little thing that comes your way. Now, you remember Moses, he had anger issues, but it was always his purpose for him to approach Pharaoh to let his people go. But he didn't get there till he was 80 years old. Well, what took him so long? Well, he had to learn some self-control. He had to learn some deliberate leadership strategies so he could accomplish his purpose. He couldn't go in there to Pharaoh all, easily rattled and get all upset over the haterism that was going to be thrown his way. He wouldn't accomplish his task. He wouldn't be able to walk in his purpose and experience his favor. You see, we have to exercise ourselves to maturity. We have to ask God to help give us the ability to ignore those haters who are uncomfortable with where our favor is taking us. Because God, he doesn't hold back our favor because of the increase. He holds back our favor because of the haters. And I don't know about you, but I'm not going to let no hater limit me. This is Newt with a minute of medicine for your mind.